Hi learners, as we are going through GST chapter of standard 10, we are about to solve sums by exercise 1 of Amal Agarwal book. Let's start. In this video we will solve question number 12 on demand of students. So let's see what is the question. First of all, try to read the question. A shopkeeper buys an article whose list price is rupees 8,000 at some rate of discount. Here rate is not given, we need to find out. Okay, at some rate of discount from a wholesaler, he sells the article to a consumer at the list price. The sales are intrastate, it means GST will be divided into two equal parts, SC GST as well as SGST. The sales are intrastate and the rate of GST is 18%. If the shopkeeper pay a tax under GST of rupees 72 to the state government, find the rate of discount at which he bought the article from the wholesaler. Let's see how we'll solve the sum. First of all, we will make the rough diagram that how many persons are participating in this selling. See what I have done here. The first person is wholesaler, second person is shopkeeper, and third one is consumer or customer. As we read the question, that wholesaler sells some item to the shopkeeper, but we don't know what was the discount. That's why I mentioned here that let discount is X%. But the marked price is given. What is marked price? Marked price is rupees 8,000. Okay. Now come back to the question. A shopkeeper buys an article whose list price is rupees 8,000 at some rate of discount from a wholesaler. He sells the article to a consumer. Now we are thinking about the consumer. He sells the article to a consumer at a list price. It means shopkeeper neither increased nor decreased the rate. Directly he sell his item to the list price on list price. And what was the list price? That is rupees 8,000, right? Okay, please come back to the question. The sales are interesting. Okay, let's see what we'll do. Marked price was rupees 8,000 and we don't know what was the discount, so we have written here let discount is X%. And according to the question, what is the selling price? Wholesaler will sell on which rate? So we have written that MP minus discount SP is equals to MP minus discount, or we can write in place of MP we will write 8,000 minus what I have written here, X% of 8,000, because this was the MP or the list price. Mark price or list price both are same, so selling price will be 8,000 minus X% of 8,000. Now we are about to solve this. I have taken common 8,000 from both the places. What remain here 8,000 came out from the bracket, so here is 1. 8,000 outside the bracket, so here is X by 100. I hope this line is clear to every student. And since GST is 18% and sale is intrastate, so GST will be divided into two equal parts. I don't think it is visible to you. Let me use black pen here. I have written here GST will be divided into two equal parts. I think it is better than before. Now you can see. So what was the GST? 18%. It means it will be divided into two equal parts, 9%, 9%. CGST for wholesaler is what? 9% of SP. What was SP? Please show the video. What was the SP? Here is 8,001 minus X by 100. That's why we have written 9% of SP n by 100. And for SP we have written this thing here, that is 1 minus x by 100 within bracket 8000. Okay, now 0 0 0 0 cancelled, 9 8 is 7 72 and 1 0, 1 minus x by 100. Now if you want you can get the value of SGST, but question is only about the central government tax, so we left the question up to this. Now coming to the second part of the question, that the dealing between shopkeeper and consumer. What is given? It is given that SP for shopkeeper is 8000. Shopkeeper directly given on list price his item to consumer without adding or decreasing any amount from the list price. So what is the CGST? We directly start from here only. CGST paid by consumer will be what? 9 by 100 into 8000, that is 720 will be CGST. And what is SGST? Same thing, SGST will be 9 by 100 into 8000, that is rupees 720. We may solve this for this also. SGST for wholesaler is 9% of SP, and again it is 9 by 100 into 8000 into 1 minus x by 100. So 0 0 cancelled, here is 720, 1 minus x by 100. But there is no need of SGST, that's why I've left it, but I think we need to complete it, otherwise there will be doubt in the student's mind. Now coming back to the question, what is given in question, please show the book. If the shopkeeper pay, question was, if the shopkeeper pay a tax under GST of rupees 72 to the state government and find the, okay, it is about state government, not about central government, so we need to find out only SGST, not CGST. Okay, find the rate of discount at which he bought the article from the wholesaler. So let's see what we'll do. According to the question, it is given that tax paid by shopkeeper is rupees 72. To whom this tax is paid? This tax is paid to the state government, that is mentioned in your question. Tax paid by shopkeeper to the state government is 72, so we have written it like that. And what is the meaning of tax? It is 720 minus, I told you in previous videos, tax will be output SGST minus, it is for the shopkeeper only, output SGST minus input SGST. So what was output SGST? That is paid by consumer. This was output GST. As common we are calling it GST, separately we will call output CGST, output SGST, and this is input GST, input CGST, input SGST. So I'm going to put the value. Please try to understand what I'm trying to explain. This thing you have to remember for the person who is at the middle. What he will pay, whatever consumer has paid as tax minus whatever he has paid to the wholesaler, that is his personal tax. So this tax will be output GST and this will be input GST. I hope now it is clear. So output GST, SGST was what? Consumer has paid state government this quantity, what, rupees 720 I have written here. And what shopkeeper has paid to wholesaler? That was this one, 720 into 1 minus x by 100. So I have written that thing here. Don't be confused about the data, just solve and put the value. So 720 minus 720 within bracket 1 minus x upon 100. From both the places I have taken out 720 as common. Within bracket here is 1, here 1 into this means 1 minus x by 100 is equals to 72. Now 72 go on that side and divided 72 by 720, and here 1 bracket is opened, 1 minus 1, and this minus minus is plus x by 100. So 1 minus 1 cancelled, subtracted, that is 0, x by 100 is equals to 720 10 72 10 jar 720, so it is 1 by 10, or x is equals to 100 is there cross multiplied, so 100 by 10, that is 10%. I hope this answer is clear to you. If any doubt, please tell me. I can explain you by another method also. Thank you, children. Please keep liking my videos, and if you want, you can subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.